Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use SBSAR material in Unity and how to install and use the substance in Unity. So first we need to download it from the Unity asset store. You press here download, and when it's downloaded you can press just open in Unity and again open in Unity. The package manager it's opening automatically. Please keep in mind that you need to do this for every single scene that you have. You need to install it. You can find it here, Substance 3D for Unity, and press import. Please choose all of them and press import again. We need to wait a bit and close it. Then I'm going to create here one new, actually I'm going to press show in Explorer and create here one folder called substance. I'm going to clean these things and I'm going to copy some materials that I've already downloaded in SBSAR format. I've downloaded them from Adobe Substance 3D asset. Here there is a huge collection of everything that you can imagine. You can download them in SBSAR in this folder and then in some folder, and then you can copy them and put it into the project. So here in Unity, my substance folder should be filled. Here in Unity, my folder, it's automatically filled. If I go here to this concrete, the material is created automatically and all of the maps are being used. And if I go to the graph, I have the same menu as in Substance Player. If I open the same material concrete smoothed, if I open it, I have the same menu and options in Unity as well, with the technical parameters and the channels. And if I want to make it, here is my preview of the material. If I want to make it lighter or more rough, I have the same options that I have there. And if I change the color, let's say to something or this one, this is going to be applied here for the maps as well, here by changing the graph. And now I can just drag and drop and use it into my scene. It's really useful and helpful. It's really easy. You don't need to open the materials firstly here, then export them. You just can direct import them into Unity. Just download and import, and it's going to save you a lot of time. If you enjoyed anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below and join us. We have some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.